Now we're taking one client from just owning restaurants to teaching people how to own their own restaurants. And we're doing it all through Skool. About the platform Skool, what it is just a platform for others to teach their knowledge to people wanting to learn. So Brittany has been in the catering / food industry for about 20 years. She's grown her business pretty successfully. She's at about $2 million per year right now. She's doing multiple streams of income, and she's looking to expand because she believes in collaboration over competition. So we thought it would be a great idea to start a Skool community, and we're helping her because we're doing all the marketing side. So what I want to do with this video is start educating people on the different ways that you can actually use your knowledge to increase your income while also helping others increase their income while starting a business at the same time. Because all the stories we heard from Brittany in her past 20 years have been crazy. She's had several losses, but a ton of wins because, like I said, she's at $2 million. So with all that knowledge that she has, she's looking to pass it down. But the thing is, as a business owner, you can't quite do everything on your own. So she's having us help her make the videos, do the posts, and coordinate all the social media side, so that way she can just dish out as much information to all of her followers and her Skool community. Right now we're at about 17 subscribers. We started at $35 at the very beginning before Skool even launched. We got about 13 subscribers right away. That's from her TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook following. Now, since then, we've only been active for about 3 weeks now since it's been live. Now we're up to 17 in total. Since then, we upped our price to $47, but we're doing a tiered process. $47 is the lowest package, and we got 2 higher tiers from there, which we'll get into another video, because on those 2 different packages also come with extra benefits for the viewers to be able to get as much value out of their Skool community as possible. Now, Brittany has always been interested in wanting to teach people these skills, but the thing is, being one person and trying to run a business at the same time is very, very difficult. But her business is at a level to where it's stable. She's able to do a lot of things without her having to be around. She's been able to hire several great staff members that are able to manage her business without her being there, and her business still grows while she's not there. So that's what she's wanting to teach other people, and we're learning a lot from her. So we're happy to be working with Brittany to be able to learn all these skills along the way. Now, we do marketing, so we're not quite in the food industry, but still her skills and ability apply to multiple businesses, because all businesses go through hiring stages. All businesses hit roadblocks whenever they're trying to get to the next level of revenue, and all business owners have to be very creative, because you don't make it to that level without having a few tricks up your sleeve or being a little bit on your toes to be able to pivot when you have to. But let's get back into the Skool real fast, because on this platform, which is very cool, is it's basically like your own little group, to where there's thousands of communities on this platform, but you have your own page to where you can schedule lives. You can make content to post. You have different sections to where members can actually go to a classroom, get on their classroom, and go through courses. So that way they can start doing all these courses that she has. So we're helping her build out these courses. We're recording all the content so that way she can give as much of this value to her viewers without them being completely overwhelmed. So we're doing it in stages. So we're adding new levels every month, so that way people don't get overwhelmed and feel like they're falling behind. And whenever new people do sign up, they're going to be able to start and see level 1 and just go from there, and be able to quickly catch up to other people that are already in the group. Now, this classroom is roughly beginners / intermediate business owners so far. So there's been a lot of questions. She's been doing a lot of lives, and she's been helping a lot of people so far, even though it's only been just a few weeks. So if you're a business owner looking to start helping other businesses because you have a special skill, whether it's HVAC, electrical, plumbing, videography, teaching, or just wanting to show off a cool little hobby and have a group of people, Skool is one of the platforms to do it on. Now, this probably sounds like a sponsored ad. It's not. It's just something that we're trying to pass along, because I want to show y'all how we're taking one business from just having a good social media following, which that's something we helped out with, but let's not go there yet. But we're trying to help her go from just social media following and a business owner to teaching other business owners how to run a successful business So that way Brittany will have a fourth stream of income of teaching people. So right now today, 17 subscribers. We're slowly growing, but I believe on this Black Friday that's coming up, we will get a lot more. Our goal for the first year is 1,000 subscribers. So hopefully we can hit that even faster. But anyways, hopefully y'all follow along. If y'all have any questions about Skool or some of the tactics that we're doing to be able to grow this faster, let us know. I'll be happy to make some more videos on this. But I thought this would be a cool way to show off Skool platform to help other businesses that are trying to be creative on coming up with new streams of income. But it's also a great way to advertise your business off at the same time. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video.